Welcome to OFR. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to disassemble this Malm bed frame from IKEA. I also have a tutorial on how to assemble this bed frame, which I'll leave a link in the description below, so after your move, you can easily put it back together. All you need for this disassembly are pliers, a Phillips screwdriver, a 1/4" Allen key, and a wrench. If you want to speed up the process, you can also use a drill with a Phillips bit. As a side note, if you either have 2 or 4 drawers, I recommend keeping them together when moving. Just wrap them up so they don't get damaged, but if you want to disassemble them, you'll also need a flathead screwdriver and a 1/8" Allen key. So the first step is to take off the slatted bed base. You can tape it up after you've taken it off the frame. Next, you can unscrew these 8 knobs. The screws are underneath, but I would recommend keeping them on as they shouldn't fall off when you're moving. Just in case, you can secure them with a piece of tape. Then simply unhook each end of the middle support beam. Now unscrew these 4 screws and put them in a plastic bag so you don't lose them. Next, unscrew these 8 screws. Now if you want, you can unscrew both mounting plates, but again, why do more work? I recommend keeping them on. Then you have to unscrew each rail. I'd recommend starting from the middle and working your way up. The last 2 screws for each rail should be unscrewed at each end so you minimize the damage to your bed frame. Now, I'd recommend keeping your headboard together, but if it's too big to fit when transporting, grab a wrench and unscrew the 4 nuts. I'll show you how it's done for one, and then do the same thing with the other 3. Next, detach the top part of the headboard from the bottom part. If you want, you can unscrew these 4 screws using a wrench, but I would recommend keeping them screwed in. Then take your pliers and pull the 5 dowels out. Now you can start at either end, but I just decided to start at the headboard. Grab your 1/4 inch Allen key and unscrew each wheel lock using alternating half turns until you don't feel any resistance. There should be a little gap between the end of the sideboard and the footboard. Then do the same thing with the other corner of the headboard. Next, detach the headboard like this. Now go to the other side, and again, use alternating half turns until you don't feel any resistance. Then detach the footboard from the sideboard. And finally, repeat the same step for the last corner of the bed frame. Now, you could lose the wheel locks in your move, so I would recommend putting some tape over them or getting some needle nose pliers and just pulling them out. Then grab pliers and pull out 3 dowels on each end of the sideboards. Repeat the same step for the other 3 ends. So all you're left with is the lower section of the headboard and the footboard. Again, I'd recommend keeping these 8 screws in, but if you want to unscrew them, all you need is a wrench. So now, you should be done with disassembling the Malm bed frame from IKEA. Again, if you want to reassemble the frame, I'll leave a link in the description below of that tutorial. Hopefully this disassembly tutorial helped you out.